to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys what me and my daughter eat in a day. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe and like this video and press that notification bell because I upload videos weekly. If I don't upload every day, I do every other day. And yeah, so let's get into it. So right now, I'm going to put this in the oven for my daughter. It's the DiGiorno Rising Crust Pizza. So we're going to preheat our oven to 400. And I'm going to put that in. And then I will be with you guys in just a minute. Also, I'm going to go ahead and take me a vitamin C. I am out of my multivitamin. So I'm going to take a vitamin C. These are the Spring Valley. I think I got these at Target, either Target or Walmart. That's my second one. We're going to cut this open for Olivia because I'm making a shrimp pasta for dinner, and she doesn't want any because I'm out of the Alfredo sauce. So she's having this pizza, and then I want to show you guys what for breakfast this morning. Okay, so I usually have this oatmeal for breakfast. The bananas and cream is what's left. It's a flavored. You can get these at Walmart. It's the flavored pack oatmeal. They come with strawberries and cream, blueberries and cream, peaches and cream, and I love all of them. My least favorite is banana. My most favorite is strawberry and blueberry. Oh, and so I usually have that, but this morning I had the last bit of this, and I know it's not the healthiest, but that's what I had for breakfast. Like I said, we just gotta make do because I haven't done my grocery order yet. Okay, so while her pizza's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the pasta. And so I just gotta get the pot. And then if you want to make shrimp pasta, you can use, I like using these spaghetti noodles. I also have these panini noodles that you can use also. And for lunch, we're going ahead and we kind of skip lunch. I usually do like a turkey sandwich, or we could have had like peanut butter on bread. I have this peanut butter. So let me pour water in the pot. And then after I do this, I'm going to wash the shrimp because my favorite right now, I love seafood. Like, I love any type of seafood, just about all of it is so good to me. But when I cook my spaghetti noodles, I have them like this, and I do like this. I need to set y'all up some. I'm having to bend down to talk to you guys. Let's see here. Okay. Oh yeah, that's better. All right. We're rocking a mess hair in the bun today. And yeah, so I'm gonna put this in the pot. And we're gonna let these noodles boil. That way, here, I need to add more water. Now, I do have red sauce. Not sure how that would taste. But it's really sad that I'm out of my Alfredo sauce. But I'm wondering what it would taste like, because I was thinking about putting this over the top. These cheese, mozzarella, cheese curls. I'm thinking about putting that over the top of my shrimp Alfredo. And also, I'll just get this out just in case. So the noodles are boiling while Olivia's pizza is cooking. And then I'm going to take the shrimp. This is what I have left. I get this at Walmart. And I'm going to get my drainer. And I'm going to put the shrimp in here like this to wash it. And I'll probably just take the ends off, and then I'll put it, when the pasta's done, I'll drain the water, and then I'll put it down in the pasta. So we're just letting our shrimp thaw out, and we're draining it right now. Let's see. This is how it looks. Like that right there. So you just wash your shrimp really good. Move that out of y'all's way. Maybe y'all could see. And that's going to be what I'm going to have for dinner. I'm kind of burnt out on pizza. So we're just going to do I might have one piece. But yeah, we're just going to do a shrimp pasta, because I need to eat the shrimp. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just take the edges off like this and just go ahead and do away with them. Go. And I'm thinking, actually, after I take these off of the ends, I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the pot with the noodles. Okay, so I've washed it really well, and we're just going to put that in here and let that cook. Uh-oh, I forgot to take an end off of one of the shrimp. And then we'll reuse this to drain our pasta. And I need to check on Olivia's. I need to wash my hands. And then check on her pizza. And I will get back with you guys when it's done. Okay, you guys, so her pizza is done. We just need to cut it. And my pasta is done. So I just need to drain that. And I think I decided to go with the red sauce, you guys. That just sounds so much better. So this is what it's gonna look like. It's shrimp pasta is what I made, and we're just gonna put it in this bowl right here. And we're gonna put that in the sink. This is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna, and then I put this, I'm gonna eat this on the side. I was gonna sprinkle it on the top, but I think I'm just gonna have that on the side. But we are gonna go with the red sauce. Turn the stove off, the stove part and the stovetop part. And I'm just going to put a little bit of red sauce because I'm not real sure what it's going to taste like. But I'm sure it'll be good. I would much rather have Alfredo sauce. But this will be fine. There's no way I could have eaten it without a sauce. So, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is what it looks like so far. It's basically like I'm having a spaghetti, but without the meat, I'm having shrimp. And then I've been eating on a few of these. And we're going to cut Olivia's pizza. And for her real quick. Let's see if I can get the camera set up. I'm going to cut this for her. So yeah, you guys, we're going to eat on a, let me get a fork and try mine real quick. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, it's still really hot. This is what it looks like. Let's try it out. It's really, really hot. This is what we have in a day. It's pretty much like pizza. We eat a lot of pizza, and we eat a lot of pasta. And I try to buy the most healthiest snacks I can buy. Like, I have yogurt in the fridge right now. And stuff like that. So we want a snack. We'll have a Greek strawberry yogurt. And when I grocery shop, I'll probably film that for you guys when I do an online grocery. And I'm going to try to get a lot of like stuff to make like smoothie drinks and stuff like that. Get some more vegetables, meats, and fruits. But yeah. And there's no way she'll be able to eat all this. So we pretty much have this done. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.